Have you ever tried to hold your breath? Maybe for 30 seconds or even a minute. Now, what if I told you that if the Earth lost all its oxygen for just 5 seconds, holding your breath wouldn't even be the biggest problem? In fact, it would be the least of your worries. Let's imagine it. In an instant, the sky would go from a beautiful blue to pitch black. Why? Because there would be fewer oxygen particles to scatter the sunlight. At the same time, everyone's eardrums would instantly rupture. We'd experience a sudden drop in air pressure, equivalent to instantly teleporting from sea level to the top of a high mountain. That popping sensation you feel on a plane? Magnify that by 1,000. But it gets crazier. Without oxygen, fire is impossible. So any engine that relies on internal combustion would immediately stop. That means every plane in the sky would start to fall, and every car on the road would coast to a dead stop. All those campfires, gas stoves, and power plants? Instantly extinguished. And what about all the buildings, bridges, and structures around us? Concrete is held together by oxygen as a binder. Take it away, and every concrete structure would crumble into dust. The Hoover Dam, the Burj Khalifa, your own house gone. They would just disintegrate. Even the Earth's crust itself would be in trouble. It's made of about 45% oxygen. Without it, the ground beneath our feet would literally crumble and collapse, and we'd all be in a freefall. So, after 5 seconds of pure chaos, darkness, silence, and collapsing structures, the oxygen would rush back. But the world would be completely different. The sudden return of air pressure would cause a massive global-scale explosion, and the restored oxygen would reignite fires everywhere, fed by the intense heat from the initial chaos. It's a terrifying thought, right? It just shows how much we depend on this invisible gas, not just for breathing, but for holding our entire world together. It really makes you appreciate every single breath you take. Thanks for watching, and if you found this fascinating, make sure to like and subscribe for more mind-bending what-ifs.